Stay active and in the game with Medline's Empower Rollator. With a patented design, sleek frame, and premium features, the Empower Rollator makes getting around easier than ever. The open frame design enables better body positioning, which creates greater stabilization. Folding up the Empower for transport and storage is a breeze. Unlike any other rollator on the market, the Empower's handles fold in and the wheels nest, allowing this unit to fold completely flat. Even the cup holder folds. Easy to spot yellow actuator points clearly indicate areas that are adjustable. Push buttons on the handles let the user adjust the Empower Rollator to create a perfect fit for their body size. The memory foam seat is 30% larger than other rollators, and the memory foam backrest is height adjustable. Simply move the knobs to bring it forward or backward. The Empower truly offers maximum comfort and style, providing a comfortable spot to sit and relax. Under the seat, a neoprene storage bag holds larger belongings, and a storage tray safely holds smaller items. For hassle-free access to the underneath storage, the seat flips up and stays up while loading or unloading personal items. The Rollator's frame has a lifetime warranty and weight capacity of 300 pounds. Stay active, stay safe with mobility products from Medline.